Yeah, welcome to Abundant Food Paradise TV channel. Today we are adding coffee layer in our garden, and we have a very diversified garden here with the mulberries. There's a mulberry here. Yeah. So these are the coffee plants we are planting. They are coffee wildlings because the seedlings are extremely expensive, so we plant the wildlings. And the wildlings, once they are well taken care of in a good season, they come up very well. Yeah, you can see this is a wildling that was planted last year. This one is doing very well. This one too. So the ones which died, we are trying to replace them. Hapa kuna line. Okay, we're trying to replace them, ensure that each and every space is covered. Yeah, we've been having heavy floods here. There is water everywhere. Yeah. So you're taking advantage of this. Yeah. So we planted coffee everywhere in this zone. We're integrating with bananas, and also you can also integrate it with the millet. Yeah, the millet. Here, we feed around here all the time. The food forest, we don't buy for them food. They just eat from the food forest. The millet and the bananas. Huge banana here. Yeah. So we are integrating with the coffee, with the millet here and the bananas. You can see the lines of coffee. Yeah, the ground is still wet, so we don't have to water because we have timed the right season. And you can see the forest there of pomegranate and the arrowroots here. Yeah, everything is integrated here. Then you can see a banana here. Yeah, a banana there. So we are starting from that side. We are going towards this side. This is an edge supposed to prevent erosion from one side to another. Yeah, chicken are really enjoying. Yeah, eating pests and other ants and eggs of insects at the farm. You can see a huge banana here. Yeah, very huge banana. This one produces very giant bananas here, but we have a diversity of short and long bananas just to improve on the canopy. Even the ducks come to the forest to feed. Yeah, and here we have our pioneer coffee plants. This one is about 1 year old. This one and this one, and this one is 3 years old. And oh my God, it's already fruiting. It's producing the berries, coffee berries. Yeah, and so this one is around 3 years old. This one is 4 years old. It's producing for the second time. And oh my God, this one is really heavy with berries. Yeah, it's very heavy. Yeah, it's almost falling down. Very heavy. So this is a place where people never thought that coffee could be grown, but here we are. We have demonstrated that coffee can grow here. It's a very dry land beside the lake basin at Kindu Bay, and apart from the coffee, many other things can grow. The bananas can be done in large scale, and also the pomegranate and the arrowroots. Yeah, that is my dad's grave. So this is a posthumous permaculture garden. It also has avocados and the coffee, the flowers, and the graviola. And this is a white supporter. This is a coffee, and this is avocado. And this is a white supporter. and I've also surrounded it with some plants and flowers, so that my dad used to love flowers. And this place is actually called Jefferson's Permaculture Ecosphere. So we have been doing this from here and the other side. I'll just show you a glimpse of the other side. These are the effects of the floods which brought down this building. Yeah, brought down this wall and that wall. So we have already put up that wall. We are supposed to put up this wall, and then we finish this building. You can see the rubble caused by the El Nino. Yeah. Oh, this is another integrated coffee farm with pineapples. See the huge pineapple here. Others are still coming. There are lots of coffee here, and arrowroots and bananas. Yeah. So we really engage the community. There's a big plantation of maize on the other side, and also sunflower and bananas. This is our cow shed. We have our dog here, it's called Chewy, and our geese. Now this is a pot irrigation system, and they have also integrated with the coffee. Yeah, you can see this coffee here doing so well. There's another small one here, and that's a vehicle. Another coffee here, and coffee, and this is a sunflower. Integrate everything. Yeah, another coffee here. Yeah, so you can see these huge purples integrated with the pineapples, arrowroots, yeah, and also oranges. This is a very intensive system. It is served by the pots. See, the pots are full, and the purples are doing so well. And the arrows, the pots are full, so the pots get the rain, the water from the roof there. Then they store the water, and then they release the water slowly to the ground. Now you can see the place is very healthy. So this is a demonstration of an intensive system, pot irrigation system. And this is our container. This is a container ginger farm. Yeah, this is a container ginger farm. And this is our other container ginger farm. This is our other farm. So it has a lot of bananas. They're coming up, and the chicken are also eating here. We have several chickens. We don't feed them, just eat in the farm naturally. Yeah. Oh, my dog is following me there. And we also have oranges and lemons, and a lot of bananas everywhere. Some of them are coming, and some of them are fruiting. I hope to see one soon that is fruiting. We have coconuts here. We have a lounge here with flowers and also different types of crops here. It's a lounge. And then we have the edges there, then the swell, all covered. We have different varieties of plants. Any plant that can be able to survive, we grow. Oh my God, this is a very huge banana just next to the door. Yeah, this is our forest house. Yeah. Forest house, a very huge banana next to the forest house, next to a coconut tree, and some flowers and some ornamental plants. Yeah, all our system is integrated. This is another banana which is just about to fruit. You can see that huge banana. It's very, very healthy because it gets rain from the roof, and the place has very high concentrated growth media. So it enjoys all its life. So it's going to become a very huge banana. I'll be updating you on this soon. Please follow us on Abundant Food Paradise channel, and I'll be updating you on how they're doing, and all the bananas, how they're coming up, and how they're fruiting, and everything else. And we have our off-grid water supply system. We get it from the roof. Part of the roof goes to the farm, and part of the roof we capture the water. We have our ornamental plants here. We have lots of water. You can see lots of water. And oh my God, this is our turmeric farm garden. They submerged the containers and they're doing so well. You can see zero watering. Yeah, they're doing so well with zero watering. Just design is working here. The edges there are having arrow roots. Yeah, this is turmeric and this is ginger. Yeah, so you can see they're doing so well. Submerged container gardening can also work either on the soil or in the surface, and they can grow very good ginger and many other crops. Yeah, so thank you very much. Yeah, and looking forward to meet you in the next video that we're going to produce. Please subscribe to our channel and also donate to our African Indigenous Ecosystem Restoration Project. Thank you so much, and hoping to see you soon in the next video that we're going to produce, just to update you on how biodiversity can work and is more sustainable in adverse weather and is most resilient. So this is one of our oranges. Yeah, we have many oranges here which are fruiting, and also look what's there. So we have there's a pawpaw there. We have a variety of plants. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.